So this is all you really have to. The first thing you have to learn is 2, 3, 5, 6 R2. 2 being whatever key you're in. If you want to be in the key of B, okay, B is dark blue. Over here on my chart, here's the key of B is dark blue. There it has a green. It has a green. We don't like that. We need a different highlighter color. Well, there you go. You know, I mean, you can't really, you can't mess around with highlighter colors or on my colored thing. So we don't want to be highlighting notes with color like that. So I'm just going to use cursor mode, okay? And what we're going to do is over here. So if you want it to be, say, in the key of B, okay? Because a lot of guitarists like to be in the key of B, all right? But remember, if I play this, you'd have to play a G. Here, the second of B is C sharp, right? So that's where the pattern would start. Now we can kind of look at some black keys. It makes it easy to do the stack, because the stack's going to be C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and the third one up is the B, which is the root. Okay, root is the B, and then to C sharp again. So it's very interesting. It's very interesting because you've got these notes here. I'm just gonna copy them and put them right down here, right next to where we are here. I know it's a little slow, but there they are. So the second is the C sharp, okay? C sharp, then D sharp, all right, F sharp, G sharp, the root is the B, and 2 is C sharp, okay? Then we continue on up there, starting from the next string up. We would go to the third, all right, the 3 member, okay? So in the B, the 3 member is what? Root 2, 3 is the D sharp. Now I should know that by doing it by pattern. Okay, that should be by pattern. It's the C sharp, not the D sharp. Okay, so the pattern is right here, 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2. Excuse me, starting from the second, not starting from the root. That was starting from the root. The pattern gets us up to here, up to the C sharp up here. Okay, so starting from the root, we're at the C sharp up here. Now we're going to go get the 3, 5, 6 root. Okay, so sure, you could count back again from the B up here. Here's root, here's 2, here's 3. But it's better just to follow the way the pattern stack goes. Okay, so you just did 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2. This is colored in C, but don't worry about it. Just look at the numbers. In the pattern stack, then 3 is up here. But this is in C colors, but 3 is simply up here. It's justified left. In the pattern stack, things are always moving left. And then what they did is they took 2 of these and warped them over. And that's what made the fretboard the way it is. So we start here on the second, 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2. Then we go over to the S2L right here. I just lost my place over there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2. And then we go 3, 5, okay, and then we have to do 6R. But it's warped, so it's 6R. So that's a D shape, actually. As you know, the D shape, which is over here, the D shape does start on the second. So that's what we were doing, and it's convenient. The D shape was the first shape I ever learned. that I really enjoyed. Okay, we can leave that there for a minute because it shows you we're trying to concentrate on the middle of here, or we could erase that. Now that we're done with that, back to cursor mode. Alright, so that's pretty much what's going on. That's how we go up the scale, even though it's a different key. And we can play that trick that we played before again. Starting on the B. You go 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2. And if you want to avoid the warp, here's the next note in the pattern is actually let's see, let's do it again. 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2, and then you'd go to the, actually it would be the D sharp. Okay, you can find another D sharp down here. See how it's the same notes, they repeat, because this is a perfect fourth and the strings are a fourth apart. So you can do the D sharp from there. Okay, we're going to run out of notes because I didn't make the thing long enough. You do the D sharp from here, then you get the 3, 5, 6 back to the root, which is B. So things work like that. That's how the guitar works. It's not that strange. It's not that strange. I'm sure we're going the wrong way here. Okay, we're kind of moving back up the ladder here. We're getting into more familiar territory. This is a great chart. The chart for today, I don't think I'm going to get to in this segment. This chart's a very good chart. Again, it has the pattern stack. It has the it doesn't have the S2L and the S3S. It has them done in C. Alright, has the 7L. Let's talk about the 7L for a minute. This is actually a combination of 4 of those basic building blocks that we were talking about. Here's the stack of 3 short, right in there, and then on top of that's a stack of 2 long. I'm sure this would put people to sleep once they know what I'm talking about. Over there on the bottom is a stack of 2 long and a stack of 3 short. So that's how they link together. Some people who are smarter than me would if they get this, they can immediately just start playing from one to the other. And the interesting thing is here, the middle part, the pattern stack is a stack of 5 perfectly tuned perfect fourths. They actually share members. So the 3/4 from the S3S is the same 3/4 from the S2L intermixed like that. But on top of one another, they follow the pattern stack. Okay, so that's one thing we can draw out of this diagram as we, so this is how kind of like, whoa, that was kind of like how the patterns stack up there. Yeah, that's the guy we want. We wanted this guy right here. So what we were just talking about, this is a simplified diagram of it. The S3XL is just a string of notes that starts on a 5 actually, and it's in that 7L pattern. It goes 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is what the S3XL is. It's embedded in the center of the 7L pattern. But this is a simplified version of the 7L pattern. Okay, you can't see the 7s here because it's warped. So you can't see the shapes of them. Okay, but the shape is, the L part is this. Here's the stem of the L. Here's the foot of the L. And over here with the 7, the S3S is the stem of the 7 and the foot of the 7. And in the middle of it all, connecting it, is the S3XL. Okay?